Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Nailed It Projects. Appreciate you coming back. If you're a first time viewer, please make sure you subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. For those of you watching the video, make sure you like at the end. Leave a comment. Well, you can good old Lowe's. This came in today, so now I need to find the hose to attach it and finish the irrigation process. Let's go do this. So, there should be that. 100 foot should be more than enough. If not, I'll have to come back. But, what else? I need tees. Put that there. I need a bag of teas. Because what I'm going to do is, especially for the corn, run a whole length down and just connect into these. Yeah. 25 teas. That should be enough. Yeah. All right. So, $20 well spent. I don't think we need anything else. Check this out. A bunch of sideway projects today, and I say sideway because I've had this project in mind for like 2 months. Never really touched it, but I'm gonna show you real quick. The front of my house, making 2 little flower beds. I'm not gonna have enough blocks for that. I might go get some more. Hence, sideway project. Also, I need to use the wheelbarrow and bring as much dirt up here. Hopefully I can get it done. As you can see, it's behind me. It's cloudy, it's raining, and I'm trying to get this done. In order to do that, I've got to move this car, and I hope it starts. Please, please, please start. Oh, please start. No. Damn. Something's draining my power. There it goes. Now, I gotta move this out of the way so I can get the truck back and forth with ease. Oh man. Alright, so I gotta get that done. I need to work on this. Put it back together. Hopefully sometime tonight. And then I gotta jump on plants. Went to a nursery yesterday and then scored like 8 plants for like $100. So I need to get those in the ground. But hey, I'm gonna go ahead and move this and see if I can get some work done in them flower beds and bring you guys back, show you what else we're doing in the backyard. Small project day. Little itty bitty stuff going on. Got to pull the weeds out of the greenhouse. I have yet to put stuff in there and utilize it because of the watering situation. Corn are looking pitiful. I don't know what is going on. These are getting yellow. They've been getting water. It's been raining almost every day. Same with cucumbers. Yeah, the fruit trees are doing great though. Like the mango is, he is shooting. Sugar apple is struggling. I don't know if it's the amount of water it's getting from where it's at, but the banana trees are loving life. Still have yet to put these in the ground. That is my little multi-project day. Before I turn this off, I'll show you guys something over here. Seems something has been visiting at night. My cantaloupes have been wiped clean. Wiped clean. YouTube. Gone. The first night, half of them were gone. Come out the next day, the rest of them are gone. So it seems now I need to put a fence around this. This is the next thing on the list for small projects. I'm gonna do it right now. Get it over with. Guys, ooh, my people. I love the people. Since I didn't finish planting the irrigation lines because of good old rain, in order to fix this problem with the cantaloupe, I gotta go ahead and get these dropped in before I do anything else. Quick trench, dig them out, bury what I need to so I can move this little fencing area, bring the rest of the fence over here, and hopefully that'll stop whatever's eating the cantaloupe at night. Trench is done. Time to bury it. But before I do that, I need to add the lines for the sugarcane and for the cantaloupe, the irrigation lines. The 1/4-inch tubing, I've yet to, we know we're talking about that, but let me just go ahead and get this done. We're about to find out if these things work as advertised. Let's see. Let's find out. Yeah. Right. So we have this. This is going to water these two. So we're going to move on to this one. Let's zoom in a little bit, shall we? A little closer. Yeah, that'll work. Now, if this is correct, got these online. $12.95, 400 of them. Don't know. It's eBay. We'll see. But it comes with the piece on it already. I bought these tees at Lowe's simply because my plan is to give it about, I don't know, 4 inches of line. Pop it on here. Pop this on the T. Then put that there. Cut the line. And there we go. Boom. So far, so good. Now, I'm going to do the rest of them so I can cover up that side and deal with this cantaloupe issue. So in case you're wondering about connection from the 1/4 inch to the 1/2 inch, these pieces that came on the irrigation nozzles that I purchased on eBay are gonna work very well. Here, let me show you. Yeah, I chose to bury the 1/4 inch from the sugar cane to here. What I'm gonna do is cut the 1/4 inch, and it's fine. It's not gonna go to waste because I use them as an extension anyway. And I'm gonna pop this on the 1/4 inch line, and these come kind of barbed already to just pop into the irrigation line. Pop that on. It is a bit tough, guys. Boom, it popped in, so there it is. I am gonna expect it to leak a little. I don't know if that's just from me doing it, but we're good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill all these holes up, the line. There's one more side project left to do, and it involves that, and that. I remember I had these left over still, which is why I wasn't too much upset about the ones that got eaten. Then remember I had this laying around. You know what I'm about to do. You know exactly what I'm about to do. I'm not playing. And instead of putting them back where they were on the back side, because whatever it was seemed like it came in from this side and ate the cantaloupe versus through the fence, I'm gonna put them in between the sugar cane. So I'm gonna weed this out real quick and get all the grass out, and in between the spaces of the sugar cane, I'm putting a cantaloupe. Holes dug, cantaloupe planted. Now, let me run the irrigation line back and put this little fencing up around it. And I might come out here tonight and see who's my visitor at night. I had a phone call while I was putting the fence up, so it is in place. And I got about a 3 feet standoff all the way around. I'm gonna come check it in the morning before I go to work. But I need to harp and get these things in the ground, because a good father is about to bless us, like he's been doing every day here in Florida. So one thing you can't complain. Them summer rains come through on point. On point. Let me get these trees in the ground. Well, my gardening DIY family, you'd be pleased to know, the plants have their irrigation nozzles in, but as you can see, leak, massive leak. I am going to hit these with some Flex Seal before I bury them. Not all of them are leaking. And I have a complaint. So going from the 1/2 inch to this 1/4 inch, this is what we get. You open it all the way, just like they show online, but this is towards the end of the line. So I'm going to turn this all the way down. Over here where the sugar cane is, this is what we're getting. I had to take the cap off of that one. That one is trickling out. Same thing, same thing. It only gets better as you get closer to the 1/2 inch pipe, and I think that is because we also have a leak over here. So I don't know if I need to get some 3/8 to get some actual good pressure over here. But that's what we're getting. And I can't have it running long just to water these, but you know, overwatering the orchard. I don't want to do that. So I might add more branches in here, put one at each plant and do it that way so they all get equal amount of water. That is that, my family. I will say I got a lot accomplished today, from the little planter boxes I made up front to moving some stuff out of the shed and burning some wood and getting that done. I'm gonna load up this lawnmower so I can get the string fixed tomorrow. I think the rest of the evening I'm gonna go stain some wood. So we're gonna call this a video. Please come back to see this whole yard transform, slowly but surely. That's what is this DIY, me doing it by myself to prove that I can do it by myself, to teach you guys something that you can do it by yourself. This is what this whole journey is about. All right, so appreciate you guys as always. As always, love the Florida sunset. Catch you guys in the next video.